Namaste, this is LearnEasy 786. Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn the lesson back exercises of the lesson Siddharth ka Gruhatyak from Hindi Prachar Vahini to Gadya Part 6 Siddharth ka Gruhatyak. We have already learned the full lesson explanation in the previous video. Today we are going to learn the Abhyas exercises. Let us see now. Before that, as usual, a small request. Whoever not subscribed my channel, please subscribe so that you never miss the updates. Click the like button, press the bell icon. Come on, let us see the अभ्यास. हिंदी में अर्थ लिखिए, विलोम शब्द लिखिए, जोड़े बनाइए, निम्नलिखित शब्दों का वाक्यों में प्रयोग कीजिए. निम्नलिखित गद्यांश के आधार पर प्रश्नों का उत्तर एक या दो वाक्यों में लिखिए. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर 5-5 वाक्यों में दीजिए. सिद्धार्थ का गृहतक पाठ का सारांश लिखिए. These are the exercises are there in the lesson back. All these exercises are not in one page, one place. Anyhow, let us see now. First one is हिंदी में अर्थ लिखिए. चौंक, अचरज, अचरज चौंक, that means surprise, shock. चौंक, अचरज. वेला, समय, time. सीमा, हद, border. शेष, बाकी, rest, remaining. Rest of things, remaining people, like that. Rest, remaining. विश्राम, आराम. Rest, relaxation. Rest, relax. कल्याण, भलाई. Good, beneficial. These are the meanings. हिंदी में अर्थ लिखने. Now we are coming to see the विलोम शब्द. सूर्योदय, सूर्यास्त. सनराइज, सनसेट. थोड़ा, ज्यादा. Less, more. A little, much. अच्छा, बुरा. Good, bad. भाग्यवती, अभाग्यवती. Lucky, unlucky. Fortunate, unfortunate. सुख, दुख. Happy, sad. Happy, unhappy. उतार कर, पहन कर. उतार कर. Removing or the put off. पहन कर, put on the dress, put off the dress. Now these are the विलोम शब्द. Now we are coming to see the जोड़े बनाइए. मैं आज तक सोया हुआ था, अब तो जागने की बेला आ गई. Till today I had slept, now the time to awake. Till today I had slept, now the time to awake. राहुल अपनी माँ के अंक में सुख की नींद सो रहा है. राहुल is sleeping sound sleep in the lap of his mother. हम कपिलवस्तु से बहुत दूर हैं. We are far away from the कपिलवस्तु. मैं भिक्षक हूँ, तुम्ही से पहली भिक्षा मांगता हूँ. I am a beggar, firstly I am begging from you. चारों दिशाएं तुम्हारी प्रतीक्षा कर रहे हैं. 4 directions are waiting for you. Now we are coming to see the वाक्य में प्रयोग करो. वाक्य में प्रयोग कीजिए. बेला, सूर्योदय का समय ही हर एक के जागने की बेला है. सनराइज is the time of awakening of everyone. Sunrise is the time of awakening of everyone. भाग्यवती, सिद्धार्थ की पत्नी यशोधरा भाग्यवती थी. Siddharth's wife Yashodhara was fortunate, was lucky. खोजना, सिद्धार्थ मुक्ति का मार्ग खोजने जा रहे थे. Siddharth was going in search of salvation path or liberation path. भिक्षा, सिद्धार्थ सेवक चंदक से पहली भिक्षा मांगते हैं. Siddharth begs firstly from his servant Chandak. Siddharth begs firstly from his servant Chandak. प्रतीक्षा, सेवक चंदक कपिलवस्तु की और वापस जाने की प्रतीक्षा में रहा. Servant Chandak was waiting to return back to Kapilavastu. Servant Chandak was waiting to go back to Kapilavastu. These are the वाक्य में प्रयोग करना. Now we are coming to see the passage, the conversation between the wife and husband. After, below that there are some questions. Below that one, कौन चौंक गई? Who surprised? यशोधरा चौंक गई. यशोधरा सरप्राइज्ड. किनको जागने की वेला आ गई? Whom awakening time has come. सिद्धार्थ को जागने की वेला आ गई. सिद्धार्थ's awakening time has come. जागने के बाद क्या किया जाता है? After awakening, what would have been done? जागने के बाद बैठा नहीं जाता बल्कि चला जाता है. Once awakened cannot be seated but can be walked on. Now the question answers, that you have to write each question in 5 sentences. In 5 sentences. The next one is Saransh. These two I think you can write easily because you have already learned the lesson explanation. So I think that is not tough to you to write. See, these are the questions. 2 questions you have to write. सिद्धार्थ के गृह त्याग के पहले यशोधरा से कैसी बातें की? The conversation between the wife and husband, that you have to write 5 sentences. कपिलवस्तु की सीमा पर सेवक चंदक और सिद्धार्थ के बीच होने वाली संवाद को संक्षेप में लिखिए. Here also you have to write the 5 sentences. The conversation between the servant and the सिद्धार्थ. सिद्धार्थ का गृह त्याग का पाठ का सारांश लिखे. Here you have to write the saransh. Saransh you can write from the lesson explanation. Suppose if you are unable to do, please inform me so that I will explain these two in the next video. I think the explanation what I have done might be comprehensible. I think you might have understood. Suppose if you are satisfied with my explanation, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon, share with your friends and relatives, share, like, comment and subscribe. Till the next upload, take care of yourself, have a nice time, bye bye, Jai Hind.